What up, everyone? Back here with some more Lowheat. Came in the mail today. As I'm opening this up, I just wanted to say you should, if you like reviews and unboxings of dope sneakers that aren't exactly super hype, please subscribe to my channel and follow me, because there's a million channels out there doing unboxings and reviews of like all the super fire, sneakers out there, and they're dope. And we all want that stuff, but not everyone has access or the money to get super crazy heat. So that's why on my channel, like you guys, I just mainly cop Lowheat. And for those of you thinking about spending your hard-earned dollars on some more sneakers, so we all got enough, you can check out these videos to see what you think ahead of time. All right, now I learned from before I'm sniffling because I'm leaning over, so I apologize in advance. But today, two things really quick. Tamper-proof tape. Do you think that's more a deterrent, or just asking to get swiped off your doorstep or apartment? Little spoiler here of what we're opening, or if you read in the title. So funny story with these are the Air Max Plus Nike Supreme collab joints. And funny thing about this is I tried to get these on the Supreme drop on Thursday morning, and I got the error message everyone's been getting, that you get from time to time. Too much site traffic, sorry, nothing processed, apologize. And you just error out, and you're like, fuck. Well, fast forward 2 days, I get an email with a shipping notification from Supreme. So I wish that had happened with the box logo long sleeves a couple weeks ago, where I got the same error message but didn't get a shipping notification. But these I did end up getting, and I really wanted these because I love Air Max Pluses. They're my favorite Air Max model. I remember them from when I was like in high school, teenager, when they came out, and I thought they were so dope. I like other Air Max models, but these are my favorite. They're like futuristic, cool, sleek, and comfortable at the same time. Here for comparison, I got these. I love these. These are the Air Max Plus Tuned Air Greedies. Came out a couple years ago, a year and a half ago. Also, sidebar, this is why Lowheat's cool, is because, you can get a hype pair of shoes, but not everyone knows they're fire. Something like this, anyone can appreciate. Whether they're sneakerhead or not, they might think these are dope. And then, people who are sneakerheads are in the know. They're like, oh, those are pluses. I vibe with those. Plus, they got the spin on the OG colorways. So, like, you can have a conversation with sneakerheads or without. That's why I think Lowheat's cool. You don't have to spend a fortune. People love sneakers if they're cool and they go with your fit, so that you don't have to spend thousands of dollars to get noticed by guy, girl, friend, what have you. But back to these. These are super fire, and what makes, I don't know, maybe some people think it's cheesy, but I think it's kind of dope. They spelled out Supreme to make these more of an actual Supreme collab, other than just this Supreme on the tongue there. They actually, the waves spell out Supreme right here, the Preme. And so, I mean, I think that's a cool little twist. It's got the Supreme hang tag. Other Supreme Nike joints have that. Some people don't love this colorway. I feel that. It's kind of like the Nickelodeon Ecto Cooler High C. Some people call them like Hot Wheels joints, but I like bright colors. As you can see, I'm wearing the Gatorades Jordan 1s here. I dig these, so I'm fine with the bright colors. And I'll be trying to go for the white ones, though. There's a little more clean, and I definitely like all white shoes, especially pluses with the Supreme collab. They also got the insole with the branding, and then if you notice on the paper, Nike and Supreme, and then on the box as well, you got the Supreme box logo hit there. I'll make the mistake I did before, where I don't take out both shoes, just in case there's some differences or extra laces. No. So I really like these. I'm thinking I'm going to try for the white ones when they come out here in a week or so, or early November. I'm going to try to get those. If I end up copying those, I can, I can only spend so much money on sneakers. I only have so much room. So if I do hit on the white joints, I will most likely sell these, or or hold them dead stock and then sell them later, and keep and wear the white ones. So we'll see if I get lucky on the white ones. I feel those are real clean. If I don't hit on them, I was happy I hit on these. These are dope. These are fire. I'll definitely wear these eventually, once we can actually all go outside and to events and stuff to flex on people. I love these. Not for everyone. I get it. I totally get it. Not for everyone, but if you're flashy, if you kind of like Supreme, if you like Air Maxes or Air Max Pluses, here I hope you got an up close look at them. These aren't reselling for a ton. They're like max in size 12. These are size 12. I think they might be going for like close to 300, but under 300. So definitely affordable. Definitely affordable. Not crazy. So if you want a pair, get them now. I mean, they might go down. They might go down a little, but I always think when they're under 300, like, you could save a little. They could go down, but if you're at 300, that's affordable in my opinion. Not everyone has a ton of money, but that's affordable. So go ahead, pull the trigger. They could go down a little bit, but who knows? They could go up. So we'll see if I get the white ones, and I'll unbox those if I do. Make sure to subscribe and follow me if you like these videos. Thanks. All right, real quick, one thing I forgot. I always try to rush through these videos to keep the videos short, but who knows if anyone's actually watching at this point, but I'm going to edit it together. Quick note on the materials. I think these are definitely more premium than normal Air Maxes. So this is like a smooth suede. This is looks like an actual kind of leather or synthetic leather on the side here. And also, one thing I noticed as I was turning off the video is these little silver hits right here. These might be 3M hits. Pretty sure these might be reflective 3M hits. So just a quick little note on the details, some of the materials and details here that I forgot, I glossed over. So definitely maybe a little more premium than your average Air Max Plus. So that's dope. And I always love little 3M reflective hits. That's a cool, nice little touch. So, all right, add that at the end.